Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can pay for American Express credit card bills. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And let's begin. Firstly, log into your online account at the American Express website and do a full statement balance or a custom account. Also, you can schedule payments in advance. Next, download the Amex app and log into your account. Also, you can make payments, view your balance, and track your rewards. Furthermore, you can call 1-800-AMEX 1-800-729-2639 and follow the prompts to make a payment using your checking or savings account information. Moreover, you can speak to a customer service representative at 1-800-AMEX, help 1-800-263-9435 to make a payment or discuss other options. Next, mail a check for your payment amount to the address listed on your billing statement and be sure to include your account number on the checkout. Also, you have some other options. You can set up a direct from your checking account to automatically pay your minimum due each month, or you can use Express Pay to send money from your bank account to your American Express card instantly, and this option may have fees. So that's basically how you can pay for American Express credit card bill. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.